welcome to one of this week's updates from us RGJ trains at David Junction. Firstly, I'm going to save a noise around. Morgan is back, so he likes playing with his ball and running out the door apparently as well. So will be noises throughout this. But anyway, what we plan to do this week, now, although some of it you've actually already filmed, haven't you? But we've got Rob's house on the hill, MPEENTJES, is it? MPEENTJES, named by Osh, is coming along well. So he's already filmed that up, ready to show you the process of how it's gone. I'm continuing with my mountains. Those were on the live. I've seen, yes.
Yeah.
Rob's grabbed him. So I will be continuing on the mountains as well. And again, this week there's lots of little bits to do. At some point we're going to get finishing more touches to the church as well. But the mountains is the concentrated bit, because obviously we need to get that back, the track laid. Someone at the end of our live did mention, I apologise, I forgot who it was, about clearance for the track. But obviously I couldn't reply to them. Please don't worry, there is a big massive gap between my mountains and Rob's house on the hill, so we should
already take it into account.
Yeah, we did make sure that we had that there ready, so we didn't get that issue. But thank you for pointing it out. As we said, guys, your hints, tips, your hints, tips and tricks are always appreciated. Yes. No, you want to go down. So anyway, guys, we're going to crack on and we'll see you in a bit, because somebody wants my attention. Bye for now.
So my little bit on the update this week is carrying on working on the Richmans area. You can see I've been messing about with a couple of trees. Obviously it needs dressing up. I'm going to put some bushes on there and then use some of the red scatter, not flocking, red scatter for the bushes. I've put some yellow and purple.
How could you forget that?
Yeah, for the flowers. And also picked this up today, which is actually cut bits of slate, which I thought would be ideal as roof tiles. So I'm going to glue a couple of pieces on there, and then Grace is going to use her flower bed making skills to make an actual crate. So this will be sitting on the side there. As someone's mentioned in the video, need some tyre tracks. I did fail the first time I tried that, so I'm going to try it again some other way. And then get the building materials and everything in. As usual, won't bore you, hyperlapse it and all that. Okay, catch you later, guys.
So my turn to do a few bits, which is all for my mountains. Now, those will have seen the earlier episodes will have seen here. This is my attempt at the water dripping down lines. Now, being away for work, I'd actually seen the mountains again and got to see, so I'm going to try here and also give a bit of a white line, just it's free flowing water, just to see how that turns up. This has had quite a few coats on now, so we're going to try with that one. And then on my live we had these trees. You might notice a bit of a difference. That's because I've been using the not green leaves. Thank you, Jason, for reminding me. And others suggested using things like that to help tone down. So you might see a difference in the two. So we're going to get a few of these toned down as well. And then our last little bit of the video should be is these bushes. I can't think of a name. I'm sure Rob will tell me or put it in the comments. But the bushes that have a lot of yellow flowers on. Now here on Anglesey we certainly have a lot of these trees and lots and lots of the yellow flowers on them. So I think it's absolutely fantastic and something that I'm going to try and replicate as well. Here we are at the end. You'll see the white has had some time to dry now. I didn't do too much of a thick coat. Again, it's still experimenting at the end of the day, and depending on the rainfall would be how bright it would appear. So I've done that, and I'm looking then to moving it onto the mountains. The bushes, you've already seen the difference. The only thing I forgot to say was I do seal it again with the spray after. And we have our bushes as well, the same thing, they get sealed after. And the only thing I will say with PVA is sometimes it can turn it a bit luminous. But guys, I'm now heading off. The main reason being is Rob's at work and I'm obviously here dog sitting for a certain someone. So as you can see, he's very good, I must admit. He's got into the habit now of when I'm at the chair he joins me next on my cushion, but I think he needs a bit of attention now, bless him. So I'm heading off, guys. Thank you for tuning in as always. If you're new, a very big welcome. Please like, if you're new, follow, give us a follow and hit that bell button to get future notifications. That's the word. Thanks guys, see you all again. Bye.